What's the house view on where oil moves in the second half of the year? And are some of these more bullish calls warranted?
Good morning, Dan. Thank you much. Pleasure to be here. So look, from a house perspective, we remain constructive on oil prices into the second half. We have a Brent forecast of $86 per barrel for the next 6 months. And 12 months out, we're seeing Brent at around $93 per barrel. So, our house view remains constructive on commodity prices, on oil, where we see a combination of recovering demand and supply adjustments supporting the oil price. And this obviously sets up a nice backdrop for regional equities.
Indeed, regional equities have been performing pretty well. The Emirates markets have been outperforming, in fact, with Dubai now at an 8-year high. What's driving the inflows?
Look, I think one thing we have to bear in mind, and we've written extensively about, is that the region is going through a major transformation. The local authorities are focused on developing the local markets. The Middle East has been one of the most active spaces in terms of IPO activity. And we saw a record number of IPOs in 2022, which is part of the region's plan of having more than 100 IPOs over the next 4 years. At the same time, if you look at it, Dan, the MENA region was only 1% of EM in 2017. We're around 7% today. And we see a pathway for MENA to become 10% or more of EM. And that would make the region one of the largest EM blocks outside Asia. Now, specifically zoning in on the local markets, I think if you look at the construct of the UAE market, a number of factors have been driving this, which includes solid economic data, both on the real estate side, on the financial space, and the overall economy doing well. And that's now starting to reflect in the local markets.